What's up, y'all? It's your girl Angelle, and welcome back to Angelle's Life. Jumping right on in, we're gonna get some Swarovski Blonde Me Bleach. I'm fucking that up, but 20 volume developer. You're gonna need a spatula and a mixing bowl to mix your bleaching, and you're gonna need some gloves. They don't sell regular gloves here at the BX, so I got the working mom joints on. But anyway, I took 2 cups of the like Swarovski pop it off bleach blonde me. It lifts to 9 levels. I took 2 cups of that bleach, and I use a 1 to 2 ratio for my mixing. So 2 cup. If I use 2 cups of the powder, I'm going to use 4 cups of the developer. I use 20 developer. I know a lot of people will use higher, but the reason I use 20 developer is because I am bleaching my hair twice in the same day. And mind you, I would never fucking recommend it. I went to cosmetology school. I would never recommend bleaching your hair twice in a day unless you want to fry your shit off. I had to open up the door because the smell, it wasn't super duper strong, but it was fucking strong. And to be completely honest, I probably shouldn't have used 2 cups of bleach. Like, I underestimated the length of my hair. I know my shit looking real short right now, but I'm used to bleaching my hair when it is super duper short, like, Caesar cut short. So and usually I use like 2 cups, but my hair is like a little longer, it's a little thicker, so I probably should have used 2 cups. But I like my consistency to be kind of thick so that the bleach is not running down my fucking face and I'm like constantly wiping it off. So look for that kind of thick consistency when you are blending, when you are fucking getting your bleach together. So once you have the consistency that you have with your 1 to 2 ratio, okay, what the fuck is you doing? Oh, had to get the mirror. I gotta see the back, child. But once you get the consistency that you want, you're just gonna paint it all over your hair. My hair is short, so I painted it from the rooter to the tutor because I want my whole hair color to be bleached. I ran out of bleach. I told y'all that I didn't use enough fucking bleach. So I ran out and I put another cup in. I should have used 3 cups from the first place. But again, 1 to 2 ratio, and then I got me a little rake comb so that I can kind of rake it through my hair. Okay, I got me. Y'all see my dirty bleach towel, my dirty hair dye bleach towel, so on and so forth. So yeah, we just going to paint more on, and after that, well, right now obviously I'm still painting, y'all. I gotta catch the back. It's great to have a mirror with you when you're doing it by yourself so that you can see the back and get those spots, because you want to apply bleach as quickly as possible so that it's all being processed at the same time. You know what I'm saying? So we almost finished with that. Gonna look at my handy dandy phone and let this sit for 30 minutes. Okay, so it's been 30 minutes. We back in this bitch, and this is the color that we got. It's been 30 minutes. I keep showing y'all my phone like y'all can see that shit. Y'all can't see that shit. Just know it's been about, actually, it was about 40 minutes that I let it sit, and then I'm gonna wash it out. So y'all, as y'all can see, this is the first bleach. Y'all know what's funny? My hair is bleached right now, and I literally have like maybe like 6 or 7 strands that is still completely black. That is so sad. I've bleached people's hair like professionally, like sitting in my chair. I've bleached people's hair, but yet and still, I got fucking 6 strands of black baby hairs on the front of my face. We ain't even gonna get into that though. But I'm mixing my ratio again. My dumb ass, now I told y'all the first time that the 2 cups of bleach didn't work. I told y'all that, but yet and still, my dumb ass decided to still use 2 cups of bleach and and 4 cups of developer. I'm gonna end up needing 1 more cup again. So don't mind me. Don't be like me. Learn from your mistakes. But I'm just gonna paint it on again. And the reason that those couple of baby hairs didn't take like the other hair took or whatever like that is because I literally put the least amount of bleach on the front of my hair, on my edges, and that's because I don't want my edges to be fried out. They're already brittle and thin because I told y'all back in the gap a couple months ago I would like relax my edges so that they would lay nice with my braids and shit, and I, they fucked around and fucked my shit up. So that's why I like always go light around my hairline. You know what I'm saying? Because I want to keep it. But I should have made sure. But anyway, we're gonna keep on painting this on. Paint, paint, paint. And I am also going to leave this one on for about 30 minutes. Now, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. This one, I put this second one on, that shit burned a little bit, okay? And again, I would never, ever in life recommend that you bleach your hair twice in one day, like straight up. Like, do not do that. And if you do not say, you watch my video and bitch, she did it, so I'm gonna do it. Okay, bitch, if your hair fall out, I ain't got nothing to do with that. So it's been 30 minutes, and I am going to wash the second coat of bleach out. You know what's so funny? Like, I don't know why the fuck I'm like recording this. And you know what's fun? And that's funny. I don't know why I'm recording me washing my hair, but I'm also one take Jake, so I ain't deleting that shit either. So it actually came out super. I was like, oh my gosh, it's so bright, it's so bright. But now I'm using Wella T14 and Wella T18. I'm going to actually mix them together and the only reason, to be completely honest with y'all, the only reason I mixed them together was because I literally had like a drip drop dab of Wella T14 left, and I'm like, bitch, I can't use this in no real life situation, so I'm gonna just use the rest of it now. I'm gonna just mix it with this T18 and use the rest of it now. So that's the only reason I mixed. It ain't some like, oh, I was going for this color, so I mixed them. No, I just literally had a little bit left, so I mixed them together. And I mixed them with 20 volume developer as well. And I also I mixed the developer and the Wellas on a 1-to-1 ratio. So if I had 1 cup of Wella T14 and T18, I mixed 1 cup of developer. And it's just because I also like this to be of a like thicker consistency. It can get runny as well. Even though it's supposed to be thicker, it can get runny, and I just didn't want it to get runny. So I painted that on my head. I'm going to leave that on for about 20 to 30 minutes. And that's pretty much it. Then we're gonna wash that shit out, and we good to go. So let's see. What up, y'all? I'm back. It's been 30 minutes, excuse me, and we're about to wash it out. So this is the final result. Tell me what y'all think. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe on all my motherfucking videos, and I will see y'all in the next one.